Cocky goal instead, market not talk what he would say. More you talk to your lazy boy, you know. Cause me never did stop him like done the whole pot of soup. And that's how they have him in the house to just eat, sleep, eat and walk up and down. I have provided, you must know what
no, but I yarn him there at daytime, you know.
Give thanks for life, you know, Jack.
True.
Give thanks for the freedom. Yeah. This me I tell you about, you can die so freely. A reason. You see me? About 50 years now, at this our four parents been fighting for.
I know them things still in back in the days things still in, you see me? But right now I say I catch up on the front end. Right now I'm gonna call her in here.
Call her, you know.
Hello, my friend. Come here then. Hello, I don't know, I beg you, my friend. I think I beg a little girl, Come here, man.
No,
I beg you, man.
No girl are up. Empress here, man. Come in, Empress. Let me say something to you. Rastafari.
Show things still, but more I have to girl them up in there, you see me?
Empress, man. Show them some respect, see me.
Empress? Alright then.
I say nothing, man.
Blessings.
Never forget the roots and culture, you see
come
me?
from the roots, you know. You see me?
Roots and culture.
Blessings.
Blessings.
Look, my brother.
Good night, Empress. I tell you the truth, you know. It's a princess like you would I want to work with, brighten up my life and them things, you see me?
You don't even know me, you don't even know my name, I can't tell you about brighten up life.
So, anyway, what is sister name?
You don't say I Kim my name.
Anyway, Kim, I meet them call Ras Vibes, you see it? I work with you, you know? Teach you the roots and all them things, you see me? Like how my grandmother teach me. So, I say, Africa and them things there.
So, you're going to buy me one burger, a piece of pizza or something like that?
Right, you know, I'm an Italist, you see me? Natural, vegetarian and them things, them have with callaloo, roots and them things, the vegetable, you see me?
Right now your roots dead out, I'm Rasta. Right now you're saying you're Rasta vibes, you ain't no vibes. Right now you're waste my time, you're spitting for mine. Tata.
What you say, Empress?
Rufus! Same thing me I tell about that boy. A boy nearly done the pot of soup and see when you Ghana Road, all with the plate too. You better talk to your boy there, you know. Brother, me want you talk to your son Rufus.
You know why problem, man? You smoke too much.
Take your fine poop,
I'm glad to see a jacket.
What is it?
Me say, me know say that boy a jacket.
Brother, or if you say Rufus a jacket, you know, say make it look like somebody's a bad man.
No, I'm a bad man, you know, but watch this now.
You don't want to hear no friend.
Remember say me a
jacket.
oh my God, that if you got some tailor, maybe I my jacket every fit myself. I want to
Sure, brother, man. Move, man. Sure.
Alright, give thanks. What go on, mommy?
What about my son Amos?
Me there, you know.
Yeah, mama, see that.
Alright. Dad, you not making new pants for me yet?
well, everything the pan making, you know, but yeah, one brother then just come mash up the machine.
Rastafari, no.
Amos, you're my elder son. I know say he's a bright boy. You know, coming like your worthless brother Rufus. How will you think I am? Amos, I born the 12th of January 1962. How old I am?
50, mommy.
50! And we are celebrating Jamaica 50!
Please and please, mama, take time with the liquor, man. Remember, say slavery abolished.
Yeah, me know, but they're excited because we are celebrating Jamaica 50! Independence, we independent. We free from all chain and bondage. Independence, we independent. We free from all chain and bondage.
Independent.
1962, this is the August. We free from all chain and bondage.
One love, free. Independent. Free. Together we stand strong. Free.